ourselves Team 1 Laagan from the Bisaya word Laagan, meaning wonder. Hi, I'm Jomie Hospital, that's Jomie. I'm a student leader at isang average dance enthusiast. Bilang isang vlogger, gumagawa ko ng videos of my travel adventures. Minsan ang aking celebrity encounters at kadalasan, mga random funny skits that I can think of. I'm a certified Laagan.
Hello guys! I am Aisle Kid. Ako ay isang ordinary student na mahilig magluto. But what makes me stand out from the rest of the crowd is my love for cosplay. Nakapunta na rin ako sa iba't ibang lugar dito sa Pilipinas, which makes me a certified Laagan.
Ako nga pala si Aln Emphasis. I am part of a local love team na gumagawa ng romantic videos at OPM covers. I also do modeling, and I've been in a couple of short films. Mahilig ako sa outdoor activities. I love sports. A certified Laagan.
We're from the city of majestic waterfalls,
Iligan City!
And we want to represent Mindanao for this year, One for Fun.
But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before?
I travel to experience new places and culture.
I travel to open my eyes and explore new horizons.
I travel to enjoy every moment and to enjoy life.
So what makes us the team to beat in this year's One for Fun? Isang travel vlogger, cosplay princess at actor in the making.
We don't just have the beauty, we also have the brains.
At pinaka-importante sa lahat, we're wanderers.
Crazy Wanderers! Certified 1 Laagan!